Hi there, and welcome to Dental Tips with Dr. K, where I explain different dental procedures and conditions to help you understand your mouth more. Today, we're talking about brushing and other cleaning techniques. There are so many videos out there that explain proper brushing technique, so I won't spend too much time on that, but what I do want to stress is cleaning all the surfaces of the teeth effectively and also sustainably. Before we start, I just want to say I haven't been sponsored by any of the companies or the products I'm about to use today. I personally just believe in sustainable living. Let's start with toothpaste. The plastic used in toothpaste tubes takes 500 to 700 years to decompose, which means the first ever tube of toothpaste is still out there somewhere in a dump or in the sea and hasn't decomposed yet, which is why I recommend using toothpaste tablets or some other alternatives. This one that I'm using today is made by dentists and contains fluoride, which is important in the protection of the teeth against decay. So make sure if you do use any sort of alternatives, then they have the same concentration as other toothpastes. So when brushing, we can only reach the outer surface of the teeth, the biting surface of the teeth, and the inner surface of the teeth. Here I'm using a bamboo toothbrush. But even with an electric toothbrush, we can only reach the outer surface, the biting surface, and the inner surface. This electric toothbrush head can be recycled if sent back to the company. But that leaves two surfaces untouched, the surfaces in between the teeth, which is why interdental cleaning is so important, especially in the prevention of gingivitis. If you want to learn more about that, you can watch my other video on bleeding gums. So the most common interdental cleaning technique is flossing. Here we have a refillable and biodegradable floss, and first step is to pull out a long strand, and you can wrap it around your middle fingers, and that way you can use your thumbs and index fingers to pass the floss between the teeth and apply gentle pressure to each of those teeth in order to clean those surfaces. Another way of flossing is using floss picks. This one is made of cornstarch, which is biodegradable, and the same as with the other floss, you simply want to pass it between the teeth, applying soft pressure towards the tooth in order to clean that surfaces. Some patients say they don't get on with flossing and prefer interdental brushes, which are these. This is made out of bamboo and this one of cornstarch. You simply pass the brush in between the gaps between the teeth there, like so, in order to clean the gaps and surfaces between the teeth. But if it doesn't fit, don't force it because you can do more damage. Just look for a smaller size, or if you have the smallest size, then choose an alternative such as flossing. There are different sizes of each of these interdental brushes. So if you have a gap that's slightly larger, you can use a larger brush in order to clean in between it. And lastly, there's the water pick. This is the portable version, which is also waterproof, so you can use it in the shower if that's where you like to clean your teeth. You simply fill it with warm water and follow the gum line while pausing between each tooth to have an effective clean. And you can use it to clean between implants and bridges and crowns as well. Well, I hope you found today's tips helpful. Leave a comment down below if there's any other topics you want me to discuss. Leave a like and subscribe for more dental tips with Dr. K.